Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing this money card slash happy birthday card. It's very simple to do, so I hope you enjoy. The materials that you're going to use for this project is some markers, some paper, glue sticks, scissors, and I'm also going to be using a stamp. This stamp is from mail that I received, so I'm just reusing that stamp. This is optional, but I feel like it really brings everything together. The first thing you're going to want to do is take one sheet of paper, any color you want. I'm choosing blue for mine. And then you're just going to fold it in half and cut it. Next, take one half of the sheet of paper that you just cut and you're going to make 1 inch markings all around. And once you have your 1 inch markings, go ahead and fold it where the markings are at. Once you have folded all the markings, go ahead and put that to the side and grab the other half of the sheet of paper. With the next piece of paper, you're also going to do markings, but you're going to make them a little bit smaller than 1 inch. So I did them at the 3/4 marking, so it's about 3 lines before the 1 inch mark, if you don't count the 1 inch. I guess it should be 4 lines before the 1 inch mark if you count the 1 inch mark. The reason for this is because I wanted the top to be just a little bit bigger, so it goes on top of the box. And once you have your markings, it's the same thing as before. Just go ahead and fold it where the markings are at, and then put it to the side. Next, you're going to grab a white sheet of paper and cut out a 5 inch times 2.5 inch rectangle. This rectangle is going to go on the top of one of the blue sheet of papers. Next, go ahead and grab a marker and then write special delivery on the white rectangle. Once you're done writing special delivery, go ahead and get your ruler and just make red lines around your rectangle. Next, go ahead and include your special delivery sign on the top of the blue paper. So you're going to want to glue it on the one where the markings were less than 1 inch. Okay, using the same white sheet of paper that you previously used to cut the other rectangle, go ahead and cut another rectangle, this time 6 inches times 3 inches, and then write happy birthday on it. Next thing you're going to do is go ahead and grab your stamp, gently remove it from your envelope, and then go ahead and paste it on the blue paper that has the special delivery sign. Okay, so now go ahead and cut right here where you see me cutting on one of the one of the squares, then skip a line and cut on the next side, and then you're gonna do the same thing, skip a line and then cut again where you see me cutting. And then go ahead and glue it together like you see me doing it. Now go ahead and glue your happy birthday sign to the special delivery box. Next, go ahead and cut out a 4-inch by 4-inch square. And this we are going to use it to make a little envelope where you're going to put the money inside. Now that you have your square, go ahead and fold it in the corners to meet each other. The bottom, you're going to want to make it just a little bit longer. It's not going to meet exactly in the middle. And the reason for that being is because you're going to want to glue it to the other two sides. Now just go ahead and glue your envelope to the other half of the blue sheet of paper that you have. On the side of the money envelope, you could either put a little note like I'm doing here, just with something that says, I love you, Dad. Thank you for everything you do, or world's greatest dad. Or you could also do a rectangle and then fold it in half and then put a picture and a note, how I showed it in the beginning of the video. There are a couple of ways that you could go about this. For this, I was just showing a quick example of what you could put on the side. And then after this, you would just go ahead and repeat the same step that you did with the other blue top of the box, which is cut the lines and then glue them together. And this is just the other way that I did it. That was cutting the rectangle and then putting picture here and then a note here, and then you just gluing on next to the money envelope. Hope you enjoy. Bye.